How to save NGL replies as images. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can save the replies that you get in NGL link to your camera roll. So let's dive right in. Open up your NGL app. And now to check for your messages, you'll need to go to inbox in the top, and then you'll find your anonymous message right there. Just tap on it, and now to save it, you'll just need to long press on the message, and then you can see save to camera roll option right there. You just have to tap on it, and then it will be saved to your camera roll as an image. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.